What's up guys, it's Kieran back with another video, and today we're talking about Ben, Brighton fanboy Ben. Ever since I made that video on him, exposing him and roasting him, he's seen that video, and now he's made a roasting video on me. So I thought, I have to react to this, I have no choice, so let's do it.
So as you can see here guys, I have Kieran Markin's channel up.
No! Oh my god! I never thought he'd be looking at my channel when he's roasting me. That is amazing.
And yes, he has exposed me. Well, kind of exposed me. So let's go on with this video. As you can see, he said he's like kind of roasting me. So I said, roast. Wait, let's turn that down. So I say, roast wars are on.
Oh my god, I'm so scared of Ben. He says he's gonna start a roast war. I better get my end of world preparations ready, because I'm so scared.
So, yes, he's made this video. You might have recognised him from school, YouTube. You might be one of his subscribers that's watching this video right now. And you can see that he copyrights quite a lot of videos.
Excuse me, Ben, mate. You just said I copyright loads of videos. If they were copyrighted, they wouldn't be on my channel anymore.
Like Rice Gone, Tanner Fox, whatever you call them, Tanner, whatever. He also roasted his kid. That's like he said, Jesus. So you know he's quite a hateful person.
Yes. Yes, I am.
So he doesn't really upload that much. And yeah, you can obviously see that he has quite a lot of other channels, and once again he clickbaits.
Well, of course I clickbait. How do you think I'm getting all my views, likes and subs? Wait, is my microphone still on? Oh crap.
Look. Clickbait.
Wait, that doesn't mean I'm quitting YouTube though. No.
See, as you can see there, it's gone, which means he's quitting YouTube. It says he isn't quitting YouTube. So
Actually, Ben, what I meant by it's gone is there's an app that I used to use to get other hacked apps. And then it was patched. So I made a video on it saying it's gone. As if Tweakbox has gone.
that's a little bit about Kieran Markham. Let's show you what I mean about clickbait then. Bass K Music. That's also another one of his channels. How many channels does he have? He only has 3 subscribers on here. And as you can see from here.
How is that even clickbait? Like in that video, it clearly said in the title, trigger, drop only. That was what it was. That's not clickbait. And if you're roasting me, why have you liked the video?
He copyrights. So yeah, that's a bit about Kieran Markham. And the link of his YouTube channel will be down in the description. By the way, Kieran Markham, you better watch out because it is on.
Bloody hell, I'm almost crapping my pants that was so scary.
Before I end this video, this is what I look like after me watching this video.
Oh, 10 out of 10 acting there, mate. Like, that was so realistic. Anyway, guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. Be sure to smash a like, smash a sub, and I'll see you tomorrow. Adios.